In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy GitHub project on Vercel. First, open your browser and go to vercel.com. You'll land on the Vercel homepage, and from there you want to head into your dashboard. This works best on a desktop browser so you can clearly see all the options we'll use. Next, log into your Vercel account using your email. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to the dashboard. Make sure you're on the correct team or personal account where you want the project to live, so you don't accidentally deploy to the wrong space. On the dashboard, look for the Add New button, usually in the top right corner. Click it to open the Creation menu. In that menu, choose Project. This tells Vercel you want to create a new project that it can build and deploy for you. You'll now be on the New Project page. In the Search or Import field, start typing the name of your GitHub repository. As you type, Vercel will list matching repos it can access. Pick the correct repository from the results. If you don't see it, double-check that your GitHub account is connected and that Vercel has permission to read that repository. Once that's sorted, it should appear here. After selecting the repository, Vercel will show a quick configuration screen. Most frameworks are auto-detected, so you can typically leave the build command and output directory as the defaults. If your code sits in a subfolder, set the root directory accordingly. You can also adjust the project name if you want something more descriptive. Keep in mind that environment variables and custom domains can be added later from the project settings, so you don't need to handle those now unless your app requires them to build. When you're ready, click Deploy. Vercel will install dependencies, run the build, and generate a preview deployment. You'll see real-time logs showing the steps it's taking. This first build can take a minute or two, depending on your project size. If something fails, read the logs carefully. Missing environment variables or incorrect build commands are common issues you can fix in settings and then redeploy. Once the deployment completes successfully, click Create to finalize the project. This confirms the setup, saves the project to your dashboard, and gives you a shareable deployment URL. You can open that link to see your app live right away, and every push to your GitHub repository will now trigger automatic deployments. That's it. You went to Vercel, logged in, added a new project, searched for your GitHub repo, deployed it, and finalized the project creation. Your app is live and ready to share.